Hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm at my house, not my daughter's house, but I'm at my house. And I don't know if you all remember, like some time ago, I said that somebody had broke into my apartment. And this is what happened. Now, I already had stuff in the living room, okay? I don't want y'all to think that, but I was in the process of having my furniture and stuff moved in, and so forth and so on. Let me show y'all. They went in the closet here. They ain't do much in the bathroom. The bathroom need to be cleaned. They took the knob off the door in the closet. And they ramshacked my room. See, I was getting ready to have my furniture stuff moved in, but I had a few more payments, which I didn't mind because I was at my daughter's house most of the time. They went in the closet. You know, I didn't mind because I was at my daughter's house most of the time, right? So, with that being said, y'all, this a lot. I gotta clean this mess up. So, I just came and spoke with the rent office. See how dim that light bulb is? I had came and spoke with the rent office, right? And just yesterday, I left work early. All my nail polish, all that. It's probably expired, so it's going to have to... Look, this is pillar ceiling, a monster ceiling. I'm just going to go ahead and throw that out. That ain't no good. I'm sure this perfume right here is no good. See, I've been into fragrance. I like to smell good. I don't forgot what it smells like. It's kind of strong. I gotta come and throw stuff away. Look, my iron board. Look at this. All this philosophy. I used to look for a closet. I used to shop QVC all the time. I used to shop QVC all the time. And all this stuff right here. Look, I don't even know if I ever used this. I know I sprayed it. It looks like it's kind of turning colors. Yeah, I gotta come in here and clean this up. So maybe this happened for a reason, y'all, because I kept saying I need to come home. I need to come home. So, look, here goes some more. I don't know why this look like this, but okay. Let me go ahead and check and make sure. I don't think nobody been in the windows. Y'all, I got clothes everywhere. I got stuff. Hair products. What is this? I got stuff everywhere, y'all. Superhero. I just gotta come clean this stuff up. And I hope ain't no snakes or nothing like that and got in here. Look at this. Joyce Myers. I think this Joyce Myers is like... Yeah, see? I got... That's an exercise ball right there. Look. It just makes me nervous. It's hot in here. Let me see. I don't want to forget. Yeah, ain't no screen in here. So, yeah, maintenance has actually been in here, and they changed my locks, which made me mad because here's Battlefield of the Mind. This is my Joyce Meyer collection. And change your words, change your life. And see, it just comes in a box like this. See, the Love Revolution and the Power of Prayer. So it's like 4 boxes. And yeah, so I'm just gonna finish. This is stuff that sitting up on top of that that television. That's stuff that I'm gonna take home, take with me to my daughter's house to kind of wash it, because I can be wearing it. Some nice dresses. I don't really like dresses. And then you see that blue bottle and stuff like that down on the floor next to that red can. I might be taking it home, I'm not sure, but I'm definitely taking these books, this chewing gum. I'm taking these garments here, because all I ever wear, I'm gonna take this and this fish oil. All I ever wear is my Northside clothes. Now today I have on a black and white shirt. I don't know if y'all can see me. Hey YouTube, how you doing? It's me, Tara. I don't know if y'all can actually see me or not, because the camera is flipped around the other way. But yeah, I'm just sitting here, and I'm getting ready to start throwing stuff outside. I have a table. I have a table right there that needs to go out. And so it's 6:53. It's 6:53, so yeah, if I can just get this whole living room so they can know that I came and I tried to do a little something, I would be happy. Yeah, so this is what my apartment looks like. And I'm just going to go ahead and get it cleaned up and get everything straightened up so I can have my furniture moved in. And this is like other products, mostly clothes in here. And then it's the same thing here, just different little products and clothes and things like that. So, yeah. Little tops that I can be wearing right now for the summer, that short sleeve, instead of just keep wearing all of these now I gotta get some pants, keep wearing all of these Northside t-shirts like I don't have no other clothes. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video, tell a friend about my channel. I love you for watching to the end. I mean, this the kitchen. That door right there, they actually went inside the kitchen and opened up the cabinets. And yeah, so it's a mess. This been like this, y'all. Don't talk about me too bad. It's been like this almost a year, because I was too afraid to come back in here. And I be at my daughter's house a lot. I'll come and check and make sure everything is okay, and make sure everything is okay, and then get my mail. I'll get my mail and leave back out like I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna check the mail today, because I checked the mail yesterday when I came by here. Yeah, so they changed my locks, and the reason why I had to come is because I had to meet the maintenance man so that he can I had to meet the maintenance man, y'all, so he